Good morning and welcome to Miss Rhoadie. And today I will be teaching you how to create categories for your store. So the first thing you want to do when you're creating a category for your store is you need to create an image for the category because categories, they will not show up on your home page unless you create an image. So before we do that, we want to make sure that our page is selected to display categories. So I'm going to go into my account, my store. So I want to make sure my store um, has it where I can display categories. So the store I'm working on is Miss Rhoadie. And I'm going to return to store management. So in order to check to see if my store is set for categories, I go to settings, advanced settings. And I see that I have categories visible because we don't want them um, over here. Okay, so we have to add it to the visible side. Okay, so now that we know it's visible, what we want to do is create images for our categories. Okay, because in order for your categories to display on your home page, it has to have images. Because I'm going to show you an example. These are categories: Christmas, Hanukkah, New Year's. So you see they have an image. So what I'm going to do is create images for new categories. So I'm going to go to my stuff, start a new design. Okay, Thanksgiving. Because I want my categories to be focused on the holidays. So I'm going to focus on Thanksgiving and Christmas. So happy Thanksgiving, add text, cards, happy Thanksgiving Day cards. And you can download that to your computer. And let's say you want Thanksgiving invitations. For templates, okay, Thanksgiving, not text. Invitation. So make sure it's templates because I'm doing the simplest way. We could have created it from scratch, but for the sake of the video, I'm doing something very quick and simple. Okay, Thanksgiving. Okay, I'm just gonna click Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving invitations. So I'm gonna add invitations to the text. And just um, decrease it a little and download it. And when you download it, you want to make sure you convert your images with whatever tool you use, whatever program, to JPEG, okay, so it can show up. Okay, so I'm finished with this. So I'm going back to Zazzle's homepage. my account because I clicked off. Well, I don't think I ever. Okay. Yeah, I clicked off my store. Okay, return to profile. Miss Rhoadie, that's the store I'm using. And products. So, um, let's say you're adding, you want to add a category. You click on Add New Category. And Thanksgiving cards, you upload the image, and I already have it uploaded. And then you click Done. Now, I already have it here, so I'm not going to click Done again. And what you want to do is, after you created your Thanksgiving Day cards, you want to search for all of your Thanksgiving cards. So what I'm just going to type is Thanksgiving in the search engine bar. And it's going to show all my Thanksgiving products. And I'm going to go to invitations and stationery and just filter it so it can just show me the greeting cards. So it showed me all of my greeting cards for Thanksgiving. And what I'm going to do here is select all of them and set store category. And my store category is already set to Thanksgiving cards. So that's basically what you do. Because I did this earlier. So now you can create the Thanksgiving invitations category. So click on all categories again, add new category. In Thanksgiving invitations, you upload your image that you created, and I already have it uploaded. And then you click done. But like I said, I already uploaded them, so I'm not going to click done again. But since yours is new, you would click done. And then Thanksgiving again, and go to invitations and stationery. And the reason I don't make it as specific is because sometimes all of the invitations may not show up. So I keep it general, kind of broad, and then I narrow it down by the department. So now invitations and announcements. So I want to make sure they're all my Thanksgiving Day invitations, and they are. Select all, set store category, and you see I have all of these categories, but they don't necessarily, you don't necessarily have to display all of them. And I'll tell you about that later. So Thanksgiving invitations, and then you click done. Okay. But I'm not gonna, like I said before, I already have this category, so I don't have to click done again. Okay. So let's view as public storefront. Now I like to create categories for the holiday seasons to direct customers. So I don't, you remember all of those categories I had? I don't have all 30 of them showing. I only have the ones for the upcoming holidays. So it takes a while for your categories to show up because I did this earlier this morning So it's taken a little while for my Thanksgiving Day categories to show up. But these are the categories that's visible right now at the moment. It's my Christmas, my Hanukkah, and my New Year's. So hopefully later on this day, the Thanksgiving cards and invitations will show up in the category description. Okay, thank you for watching. Goodbye.